Howdy everyone, Tom from getCTOwned here, and this is going to be a quick unboxing video and look at the Durgod, however you pronounce that, Taurus K310 mechanical keyboard. This particular model is a full-size one with the numpad. Some people like the numpad, some people don't. I find that I use it daily, so I thought I better have one. The thing that drew me to this keyboard in particular is it's mechanical. I'm used to using high quality keyboards and I like the feedback that a mechanical keyboard offers. And the other thing that drew me to it is its retro styling. Now, I'm not quite old enough to have experienced the BBC microcomputers and Model Master computers in school. However, in my primary school over here in the UK, as we call them, they still had a few around, so I was familiar with the retro looking keyboard, and then all the other PCs that came along running early versions of Windows and whatnot with the typical like beigey white styling, and I quite like the retro look. So when I discovered the Durgod keyboards on Amazon and found they did a white beige sort of retro coloured one, however with cherry MX brown keys, I just had to get one and give it a go. So without further ado, here it is. I have had a quick look, but it is still as it comes in the box. Nice packaging. Open it up. Quick start guide, no one ever reads. Looks like we've got a coaster there for a mug. Plastic, just cheap plastic packaging style keyboard cover. I guess you can use that to stop rubbish getting in between your keys. And here we have the main event. Now this is a weighty product. That's a heavy keyboard. However, if we take a look, and look at that, that's just a retro work of art. It's a plastic casing all the way around. Even the bottom is plastic, but there is definitely probably a metal plate sort of base along this. This is a high quality feeling product. This isn't your cheap plasticky beige retro keyboard that we were used to in the 90s. This feels like a heavy premium product. What else do we have in the box? Just put that aside for a minute. So we got the keycap removal tool thing. Not too sure what the big deal is with these, because you can easily pull cherry style keycaps off with your fingers. We've got a set of grey escape and enter keys, caps. And we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is what I'm going to use because I don't want to waste a USB-C port on a keyboard. So let's just move some of this out of the way. Right, and there it is. So we have, looks like two choices of height. On the back, go full height. Nice solid feeling riser stands at the back, actually, not cheap flimsy ones. And Durgod logo at the front there. The nice like off red pink style enter key and escape key. This does have the cherry MX browns, as you can see there. Now we can just have it's a lovely feeling keyboard. As you can see, I'm not a touch typist. I'm a long experienced two-finger typist. Hello, my name is Tom. I don't know how to touch type, but I don't care. That is a absolutely amazing feeling typing experience. I've got I've had a couple of different mechanical keyboards. I've had a Razer Black Widow, I've also had a Corsair K70. The K70 I had MX Blue keys, but they were just too loud, to the point of being ridiculous, to be honest. I was thinking about getting this with the red keys or the silent red keys, but I thought that might take away from the experience I'm looking for in a mechanical keyboard. But as you can, well, you can't feel, but this isn't mega loud. However, I've got a good feedback from all of these keys. This just looks like a fantastic product. And again, it's weighty. So on the back, I don't know if you can see that, there is a USB-C port. If we not going to plug this in yet, but oh, it's actually got a couple of guideways on the side of the USB-C plug that hold it in place like that. Look at that. That is just quality design. And there's actually 3 cableways here, so you can have the cable in there, you can have the cable in there, or you can just have it straight out the back. As I said, there's also a set of grey keycaps should you want to get rid of the pink escape and enter keys. Anyway guys, I'm pretty sure that's all I can cover about a keyboard, but I couldn't find a quick look or a review of the Durgod Taurus K310 keyboard in the retro looking white beigey colour on YouTube, so I just wanted to show me unboxing it here and yeah, just describe what fantastic first impressions I've had. I'll probably do a follow-up video to this after I've had it and used it in anger for a couple of months, but yeah, thoroughly impressed. And at the $139.99 I believe it was I paid for this keyboard from Amazon UK, I'd say first impressions, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.